Welcome to IMS channel King. Today topic Maths 1B first year syllabus, second chapter Transformation of Axis. Introduction. Transformation of axis, these are two types. First one is translation of axis, second one is rotation of axis. First we have discussed translation of axis. If the origin is shifted to another point without changing the directions of the axis, then that transformation is called translation of axis. That meaning origin is shifted to another point but direction of the axis are no change. That is called translation of axis. Here now using the formula of the translation of axis, if the coordinates small x comma small y of a point are transformed to capital X comma capital Y when the axes are translated to the point h comma k, then small x is equal capital X plus h comma small y is equal capital Y plus k. Here small x small y is denoted by old coordinates of the axis, capital X comma capital Y is denoted by new coordinates of the axis, h comma k is represented by origin is shifted. Origin is shifted means new origin. Next, second one is rotation of axis. If the axes are rotated through an angle theta about the origin, then that transformation is called rotation of axis. So here axis is rotation through with some angle theta about the origin, then that transformation is called rotation of axis. Here now formula, the transformation of coordinates when the axes are rotated through an angle theta can be obtained from the transformation table. Here table is first row small x small y, second row x cos theta minus sin theta small y, third row small y sin theta cos theta. Here small x small y is represented by old coordinate axis. So small x is equal x into cos theta plus into minus y into sin theta. So small x is equal capital X into cos theta minus capital Y into sin theta. Small y is equal capital X into sin theta plus capital Y into cos theta. So small y is equal formula is capital X into sin theta plus capital Y into cos theta. Next, new coordinate axis, capital X is equal, see the table, capital X is equal small x into cos theta plus small y into sin theta. Capital X is equal small x into cos theta plus small y into sin theta. Capital Y is equal according to table, capital Y is equal plus into minus x into sin theta plus small y into cos theta. So capital Y is equal formula is minus x sin theta plus y into cos theta. Section 2, first problem. When the origin is shifted to the point 2, 3, the transformed equation of a curve is x square plus 3x y minus 2y square plus 17x minus 7y minus 11 is equal to 0. Find the original equation of the curve. Solution. Given transformed equation, transformed equation means new equation. New equation coordinate axis is represented by capital X and capital Y. So transformed equation is x square plus 3 into capital XY minus 2 into 2y square plus 17 into capital X minus 7 into capital Y minus 11 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. So here origin is shifted to 2, 3. That is represented by h comma k. Origin is shifted to 2, 3. here represented by h comma k. So h comma k is equal 2 comma 3. Here now using the formula capital X is equal small x minus h comma capital Y is equal, now using the formula small y minus k. So here capital X is equal small x minus h is equal to value is 2. So capital X is equal to value is small x minus 2. Capital Y is equal small y minus k value is 3. So capital Y is equal to y minus 3. Now we are find the original equation of the curve. The original equation is from equation number 1. In this equation, capital X is replacing by small x minus 2, capital Y is replacing by small y minus 3. X minus 2 whole square plus 3 into x minus 2 into y minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 2 whole square minus 2 into capital Y value is replacing by y minus 3 whole square plus 17 into capital X is replacing by x minus 2 minus 7 into capital Y is replacing by y minus 3 minus 11 is equal 0. So here small x minus 2 whole square, here now using the formula a minus b whole square, here value is x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 3 of, here multiplying these two terms x into y xy, x into minus 3 minus 3x, minus 2 into y minus 2y, minus 2 into minus 3 value is plus 6. Here also now using the formula a minus b whole square, minus 2 of y square minus 6y plus 9 plus, here value is 17 into x value is 17x, 17 into minus 2 value is minus 34, minus 7 is multiplied with y minus 3, minus 7 into y value is minus 7y, minus 7 into minus 3 value is 21, minus 11 is equal 0. So here value is x square minus 4x plus 4, 3 into xy 3xy, 3 into minus 3x value is minus 9x, 3 into minus 2y value is minus 6y, 3 into 6 value is 18, minus 2 is multiplied with y square minus 6y plus 9, minus 2 into y square value is minus 2y square, minus 2 into minus 6y value is plus 12y, minus 2 into 9 value is minus 18 plus 17x minus 7y minus 34, 21 minus 10 value is plus 10 is equal 0. Next here answer is x square, next value is plus 3xy, next value is minus 2y square, next minus 4x, minus 9x, minus 13x plus 17x value is plus 4x, minus 6y, minus 7y value is minus 13y, minus 13y plus 12y value is minus y. Remaining constant values 18 plus 18 minus 18 also cancelled, 10 plus 4 value is 14, minus 34, minus 34 plus 14 value is minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, the required original equation is x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 4x minus y minus 20 is equal to 0. Thank you.